When we start manufacturing MEAX, we identified 3 clear customer segments: machine owners, machine suppliers, and finally service companies. The machine owners, they are interested to avoid breakdown, basically, to have control over the quality of the machines, so the items they are producing is in good quality. Service companies, they will make the service quick, also good reports. It's like a guarantee for them that they have performed a good job. From a service company's point of view, time is crucial. If you can speed up your process, I mean, you will be able to get support and service to much more clients. The machine suppliers, they also responsible for many times for the installation, but also they are more intent to use the big package as well. Control over the spindle, the coaxiality, the squareness in the machines, and even here the documentation is crucial. They like to leave the machine in good condition and also give a report of what they have done. Regarding MEAX from a general point of view, we focus on 3 things when we develop this concept. The user-friendliness, so more people basically can use it and understand the measurement process. The report possibilities, you can store the measurements. And finally, that we follow the ISO standards in all parameters we are measured. By help of Peter Sandström, sitting in the ISO standard board committee, we can make sure that we follow this procedure in a proper way.